Hi everyone, it's Matteo from Flyability, and today we're here on an oil tanker to tell you more about maritime UT drones. Maritime UT drones are drones or unmanned aerial vehicles that can be remotely controlled to collect data in critical areas of a vessel. The three main benefits of using maritime UT drones for your vessel inspections are, first of all, safety. Being able to perform inspections remotely without having to enter confined spaces and work at height noticeably increases the safety of your workers. The second is efficiency. By being able to reduce the amount of scaffolding and rope access that is needed, you can perform inspections faster, reduce downtime, and significantly reduce costs of your inspections. Third benefit is data quality. By being able to collect both UTMs, close-up visuals, and digital twins, all in a single flight, you're able to have a consolidated view of your vessel. You can then localize within the digital twin of your asset all the defects, UTMs, and other important issues that you found on the vessel. This makes it easier for maintenance to know exactly where to act and to check the progress of a damage over time. This data is also compliant with the requirements from classification societies, and more companies are now using drones. The Elios 3UT is becoming a trusted tool within the maritime industry and is being deployed inside cargo tanks, ballast tanks, FPSOs, oil rigs, and many other assets to perform inspections at height or in confined spaces. In fact, the Elios 3UT has been tested several times on board vessels in order to guarantee that the data that is being collected is in fact reliable. Inspections have been done to compare handheld solutions together with drone ultrasonic thickness measurements, and the results were equally as good. If you're wondering whether investing in a technology like drones for your vessel inspections is worth it, by estimating how much you are able to save on scaffolding and rope access costs, you can see that drone investments actually make a lot of sense. For example, imagine being able to replace the scaffolding needed to inspect a ballast tank of a ship. In order to erect this scaffolding, you would need a team of 10 to 20 people and about 1 to 2 weeks to assemble and unassemble the whole scaffolding. This means that it's additional manpower and additional time that the ship needs to stay in dry dock or be reserved for inspection. Now, with drones, you can entirely replace scaffolding and rope access in order to collect data. Data shared by existing customers shows that inspecting a cargo oil tank with no scaffolding allowed them to save about $45,000 per cargo hold and an additional 2 weeks of time that would have otherwise been reserved for that specific inspection. The manpower was reduced significantly, and now with a single drone operator flying the drone safely from the deck, they were able to collect all the critical data that they were needed for their inspection. So if you're also interested in inspecting vessels like this oil tanker with drones, click the link in the description below to download the free fact sheet on maritime UT drones.